Hey guys, this is our third day, and the activity for today is we are trying out the ATV that is off-road somewhere here in this island, and the guide is waiting right now in the lobby, so we are heading there. Okay, this is our guide, and your name?
Yes.
TOTONG. Okay.
I just have the card.
Alright, let's go. Okay, we are walking towards the street where all of the local trike and transportation are located. Our guide is leading us to that place where we need to ride a trike or e-trike. This is an e-trike. Our guide is making a bargaining for the price. Ah, kuya, pwede?
Okay, kaso lang mahalang siya yung restaurant. Ito pag 200 lang binabayad namin yun. Abulado ako nito. Sige lang. Sa-press nyo yung mga i-trekking kasi wala maagawan.
Oh.
Wala magawa kaya naman.
Okay. Okay, so what happened is our guide is having a bargain with the driver, and our guide didn't like the price, and the local price would be 200, and the driver is asking 250. So what? Still, we get this with the price the driver likes. So it's 250. It is. We are heading there to the ATV site. I will show that to you right now. Okay, so we are here, and it took us for about less than 15 minutes. Look at this. This is the off-road ATV. We will be using two ATVs, like one buggy and one single, because Joan don't want to drive the ATV. So follow the guide. Sign. So after writing the log sheet, Joan asked for a mask, but you need she paid for it for 10 pesos.
You want a tree? Yes. You want one? Yes. You want one? Yeah.
So yeah. So since it's off-road, you'll be expecting a dusty field. So yeah, I feel I don't need a mask, but let's see. So we will be having a briefing.
About ATV po or buggy, ma'am sir, may guide po tayo susunod sa harap. So bawal po kayo mag-overtake, hindi allowed picture habang ride.
Want to take a picture?
Yung passenger.
Oh yeah.
Then, yung nadaan natin, off-road siya, bundok. So mayroong pagtaas at saka pababa, so ingat na lang po kayo. Isang stopover natin is yung beach. So yun, pwede kayong maligo pag hindi malakas yung alon. Pwede kayong maligo doon kung gusto nyo, then after noon, drive kayo pabalik dito. So yung driving lang po natin, ma'am sir, is 40 minutes lang po siya, balikan po yun. Then 20 minutes po tayo sa stopover, so 1 hour po siya total.
May mga kasabay kami.
Ibang grupo? Wala po sir.
So walang traffic.
Wala po sir. May test drive naman po, turo ko naman po sa inyo, tapos i-test po natin yung unit before po tayo. Sir? So turo ko po sa inyo kung paano i-operate yung sasakyan.
Okay.
Sino po yung mag-ATV sir? So buggy, tapos isang ATV.
Yes.
So ito po sir yung gas, pindutin mo lang sir, pero alalay lang sir, wag
I'm gonna see on that one.
accelerator, pindot lang, pero alalay lang, wag lang bibiglayin kasi pag nabigla baka mag-win yung harapan. Tapos sir, yung buggy sir, turo ko sir.
Okay.
So automatic din po to sir, ito lang po yung brake.
But we're not gonna
Ito
ride
yung
on this
gas.
one, right? Sorry.
Ito yung brake, ito yung gas, wag lang pong ipagsabay yung dalawa na yan. Kasi pag pinagsabay po kasi sir, parati may posibilidad po tayo na mawala ng preno. Rider baka masira yung makina, so 1 by 1 lang tayo. Then pag pababa po tayo ng bundok, brake lang po, wag na po tayong gumamit ng gas. Okay po? Then yung manabela, hindi siya power steering, so kailangan po sa
Power steering.
power steering.
It's not power steering. What does it mean?
Very hard to steer.
Oh, so you need to. Okay. Okay.
Kasi lahat ng bagay po is pares-pares lang po yan, sir, hindi siya power steering.
Oh, right. So that's fine.
May test drive naman po tayo sa before po kayo umalis.
Okay, that's fine then.
Antay lang po tayo sila, i-prepare lang po ng guide.
Ito guide boss.
I will show you the view. This one. Look at that.
Kailangan ng ano yun eh, kailangan ng app. Walang mga app to, pati cellphone walang app.
Shit! So it's just a waste then?
Yeah. Hey, get the drone, get the drone. Yeah. May wifi? Wifi? Wala. Buko. Ay! No, wala tayong cash na dala. Malas talaga.
Mayroon ka na.
Meron ka? What the fuck?
Hey guys, this is our second stop, and there is a small store that sells coconut. A lot of coconut here, and it's just along the beach side. You can see right about there. Okay, so I will be going down to the beach side. Well, actually, tourists can swim. Look at this. So they have a life vest here. The waves are strong. I think this is the best place to surf, but unfortunately it's a little bit too deep. Look at this. Come on.
Wow, awesome. Coconut awesome. Yummy. Yummy.
We're done with the coconut juice and we are heading back.
Here we go!
guys, so we are back where we started and we are going back to the hotel. You know, the steering, it's not power steering. You need to use your arms too much to steer this ATV. And the beach, that was the highlights of this place. And this is our service going back to the hotel. Okay guys, so we are back in the coast. It took us 2 hours and 30 minutes because it's a lot of traffic in this beach.